Are you tired of staring at charts, missing perfect trade setups, or letting emotion dictate your market execution? My name is Hamza, and I build high-performance, algorithmic trading systems that execute flawlessly. As the founder and lead quantitative developer at Aegis, I combine a rigorous civil engineering background from NUST with over 6 years of deep financial market experience. I don't just write code. I engineer resilient, stress-tested financial architecture. Whether you need a complex expert advisor in MQL5, advanced custom indicators in TradingView's PineScript, or a low-latency Python bot that bridges TradingView webhook signals directly into MetaTrader or Discord, I have you covered. Many developers know how to program, but very few know how to actually trade. I understand slippage, dynamic spreads, and strict risk management. I build systems designed to survive real market volatility, not just theoretical backtests. Let's take your trading strategy out of your head and turn it into a relentless, automated machine. Send me a message right now with your strategy rules or indicator ideas, and let's get to work.